Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today I am on my way to a local park near my work, and I'm going to be maidening for the first time my new freestyle rig. It's the iFlight XL5 version 3 frame. So they made some improvements to the frame, so I really like that frame a lot. That's pretty much my choice of freestyle. I really like that frame a lot. They make really good frames. I'm not sponsored by them, but I do really like their frames. So, but yeah, so when I take it out the first time, usually I will not be running it like super hard. I'm usually, the first time out is I'm just looking for things like any possible like video issues, motor issues, you know, anything weird, stuff like that. So I don't send it out very far, or you know, anything like that. So, but I'm expecting good things. So tune in, guys. I hope you enjoy the flight footage.